Hey there, radicals! Get ready to embark on an exciting journey as we explore the best way to start a raw food diet, even when you're feeling overwhelmed. A raw food diet, to put it simply, is a dietary approach that emphasizes eating fresh, unprocessed, and mostly organic foods. It's a lifestyle that has been lauded for its numerous health benefits, from boosting energy levels to promoting weight loss and improving digestion. But like any life-altering decision, starting a raw food diet can seem daunting. The unfamiliarity of the terrain, the myriad of choices, and the fear of missing out on your favorite cooked dishes, all these can make the prospect seem overwhelming. But take heart. Even the longest and most challenging journeys begin with a single step, and that step is always the decision to start. So, let's dive right in and take that first step together. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, you are not alone. It's quite common to feel a bit swamped when embarking on a new lifestyle change like the raw food diet. But here's the good news. You can overcome this. Start with a plan. Consider what raw foods you enjoy and how you can incorporate them into your daily meals. Then, make a list. This will not only guide your grocery shopping, but also help you stay focused and committed to your new diet. Next, preparation is key. Start with simple recipes and gradually introduce more complex ones. This way, you won't feel pressured to whip up gourmet raw dishes right off the bat. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek support. Whether it's joining a raw food community or finding a buddy who's also on the raw path, having someone to share the journey with can make all the difference. Overwhelm is just a sign that you're stepping out of your comfort zone, and that's where growth happens. Ready for a challenge? Let's embark on a 21 days raw challenge together. This is an incredible opportunity to dive headfirst into a raw food diet with a supportive community by your side. It's the perfect way to transition into this new lifestyle, especially if you're feeling a little overwhelmed. We've all been there, but you don't have to go through it alone. The 21 days raw challenge provides accountability and camaraderie that's so essential when you're trying something new. You'll be able to share experiences, swap recipes, and cheer each other on. But what if you prefer to go at your own pace? Well, we've got you covered too. Grab a copy of our 21 Days Raw Planner. This handy guide walks you through each day, with tips and tricks to help you succeed. It's like having a personal coach right at your fingertips. Taking part in the 21 Days Raw Challenge could be your first step toward a healthier lifestyle. So, are you ready to kickstart your wellness journey? As we've explored today, starting a raw food diet need not be overwhelming. With a little bit of research, it's easy to understand the science behind it and the benefits it offers. The key is to take one step at a time and not to rush. Remember, this isn't a professional medical or nutrition advice, and your individual healthcare needs may differ. Always listen to your body, follow your intuition, and consult with your healthcare provider if needed. The 21 Days Raw Challenge is an excellent way to begin, offering not only a plan, but also a supportive community. With resources like the Raw Planner and the Raw Fam membership on Patreon, you're not alone in this journey. You have the opportunity to learn, grow, and take charge of your wealth, wellness, health, and wealth. Until next time, raw love my radicals. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Together we can make healthier choices and live our best lives.